Okay guys, here we are. This is the official page. I will leave you the link on the description of this video. Anyway, below this video you will find the link to the mobile app, okay, from the Play Store, so you can download it from there and trade from the phone if you want. Otherwise, if you have a computer and you can trade from the computer, it would be better for you. And I will teach you step by step how to do it using this broker. You just have to go to registration, place your name, Noah, in this case, Noah Trading. You can place your phone number according to your country code, but it's up to you. But this moment you can leave it for later on. You have to place a password and then choose your currency. What do you prefer, dollars or euro? So in this case I will choose dollars and accept the terms and conditions. So go to register. You can also do it with your Google account or Facebook account. Go to register. Before that, I just want to let you know that I will leave you the link to the mobile app so you can download it from your phone, Google Store for example, and register over there if you don't have a computer. Otherwise, you can use your computer to log in and register, and it would be much better for your trading if you use a computer. Okay, so anyway, maybe later on I can upload a video using the mobile app. So stay there. Let's go to register. Okay, so I will need to place the telephone number. Just give me a moment and I will put it. Okay, I place a telephone number here, one of my phone number, and now let's go to register. It's very simple. This broker give us a demo account. This demo account with $10,000, we can use it to trade, to practice. And once we feel ready, we can go on a real account. Now, it's very important. You can double your deposit. If between 1 hour, I will make you the link for this bonus because it's a bonus. If you, for example, make a deposit of $30, you will receive $60. Okay. If you make a deposit of $100, you will receive $200, and etc. So I did it like this the first time. So that's why I have $5,000 today on my real account. Okay, but it expires in 1 hour. So let's close this and let's explore this broker. Guys, we have the button make a deposit. We have the profile option here, the ID account, the status of our account, which is starter, for beginner. We have the profile setting here. Okay, we can complete the profile, and we also have to verify our account just to avoid any inconvenience or issue later on. Confirm our email, the phone number, to enable the two-factor authentication, and all of that. We have to do it. Here, if we go to upload profile picture, we can upload a picture, and we can also verify our account by sending some pictures of our ID. Okay, you can do it later on, but it's very simple. This broker, we can change our chart here. We have the Japanese candlestick. This is the one that we must use. We have the Heikin Ashi, the bars candlestick, the bars chart. Okay, let's go to the candlesticks. we have the tools here that we are going to use. We can enable the notifications, but it's up to you. Okay, these are trend indicators. Okay, here we have all of the indicators. We have trading strategy. Once we have our account verified or we make the first deposit, we have some strategy here that we can download. Okay, let me see what else. Also, we have all the pairs that we can trade here. We have the major pairs here with the profit percentage here. Okay, now if we want to open different pairs, we can click on here, I mean on the star icon. Once we click there, we have the 3 pairs here, okay, that we can see. Something else that you have to do and you have to know is about this option, the expiration option. We have 5 minutes, for 1 minute to 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and you can also customize your time here. Customize your time. You can place 1 hour, for example, and 1 minute, and then done. So your entry will last 1 hour and 5 minutes. Or you can also go down with these 2 click buttons. Here we have the amount that we want to trade from $1 to $5,000. You can trade without problem. It would depend the account. Yeah, the maximum amount is $2,000. So these are the 2 buttons to buy and sell options. Oh, by this side, I mean by the left side, we have the history trades, the orders that we make, the help button. On help button we have the support. The support is very effective. They answer quick. And we have the most frequent question. Let me check. Here you can set the chart, the price, the notification, and the indicator too. You can change your language. You can place, you can set everything here. Okay, let's go back to English. And if you go to more, you would see a lot of web binders. Very good web binders to learn some strategy. How to withdraw. You can see a lot of things. Deposit, economic calendar, analytic status. There's a blog, very good, where you can see a lot of strategies and ideas. Okay, it's in Spanish. Let's go to English. Here is very important for you to know. Withdrawals are processed by the same payment system used to deposit money into the system. So if you use Skrill or Neteller or a credit card, you have to use that same method to withdraw money. I withdraw money already from this broker using Neteller without any inconvenience, without any issue, very fast. it takes usually 24 hours. No commission, no limits. And also, as I told you, I will let you a bonus below this video, but you can also see how the bonuses work on this broker. And a lot of important questions about this broker. Okay, you can select the amount if you want, the deposit bonus, you select it. Once you go next, you have the different options here: Neteller, Script, Web Money, Bitcoin, Visa, MasterCard, etc. So later on I will upload a video how to deposit on this broker and how to withdraw money. Very important, the block. The block they have is very important. Okay, let me see. I don't want to make this video longer. So let me see if we need another options. These are the users that are online trading right now on this platform. And also here we have the different charts: 5 minutes, 7 days, for example, and 15 seconds, which is my favorite. Here we can zoom, okay, the chart to see more information. Guys, that's it for today. If you have any question or any doubt about this broker, let me know on the comment sections. And later on I will be uploading some more videos about these strategies. The strategy I told you in the last part. So, and the best strategy for this broker. So stay in touch and let me know any question you have. And please remember to subscribe to this channel.